Hello and welcome to another food review with me, John. Today, I went to Sonic, and they have two relatively new things that I would like to review for you today. The first being this sandwich. This is a chicken sandwich, and it is in their line of their new premium sandwiches that they are currently selling. Two of which I've already reviewed, which was the deluxe and the classic. One of them had like pickles on it, and one of them had lettuce and tomato. So this, I believe, is the same chicken that they use for those, but they've added cheese and bacon, and they've called this the club sandwich. There's a lot of like little bacon pieces that have fallen off here. Pretty crispy. Pretty tasty too. I'm gonna give this a taste. And one other thing about this chicken sandwich, by itself, it is $6.99. This is a $7 chicken sandwich. It better be pretty good. Sonic. The little bacon pieces I taste are pretty good. And I like the previous chicken sandwiches, so it's all looking like I'm going to like it. Let's give it a taste. It's a pretty thick piece of chicken. It's pretty moist and juicy. Which is surprising because I think this is breast meat. I may be wrong. It might be thigh meat. Okay. Chicken is juicy. The cheese and the bacon give a nice saltiness to it. The tomato I got is probably a little too mealy, not as fresh as I'd like. The rest appears to be pretty fresh. I think this is cheddar cheese. I think there's, let's see, some of the sauce on here. Mayonnaise, I think. Yeah, it's gotta be mayonnaise. Because it doesn't have any like spicy or garlickiness to it. I think that's just regular mayonnaise. Either a thigh or breast meat chicken patty, lettuce, tomato, cheddar, bacon. It's actually a very good chicken sandwich. Just taste-wise, this would be like a 9.5. I'd have to give it just like a half point less, because at $7, I don't think it's worth it. I'm gonna give this a 9 even. It's a delicious chicken sandwich. For fast food, $7 is a little bit more than I want to pay for just a sandwich with no drink, no fries or sides or anything like that. But it is good. So at least it's not disappointing. Now the second thing I got, they have a new line of shakes called Creamery shakes, and there's probably like 7 or so flavors that they have listed. There's probably other combinations that you can get, but here it is. This is the bourbon brown sugar variety. Who knows, I may go and try some more and review them, depending on how well this one goes, probably. But anyway, this one, it does. Usually they give you these dome tops because they're gonna like fill it up with something, This one, like, they just filled it to the rim. They could have given me like a regular top to this and it wouldn't have affected my drink at all. Just like a little puff of whipped cream. And then the other thing they're doing with these shakes is like they're putting these little, like, I don't know, wafers. They kind of look like little pieces of cake, maybe. Let's give that thing a taste. It's not cake. It's crunchy. Almost like a sugar cookie. Like maybe like little pieces of sugar cookie on there. I don't know. It says like Creamery, like slow churned, so they're trying to make it more like an ice cream shake, I'm guessing, but I don't see what the little cookie pieces are for. Let's just give this shake a taste though. It's hard to pull through the straw. Okay. So, on the menu, this is called the brown sugar bourbon, or the bourbon brown sugar slow churned Creamery milkshake. And I think that's just clever wording, because if I was in the test kitchen, they gave me this, and they were like, what is the flavor? That's just butterscotch. This tastes like butterscotch. Not even the right whiskey name. Bourbon and scotch don't taste similar. So it's just a really thick butterscotch flavor. I don't get any brown sugar, which would taste more like of a dark caramelized sugar flavor. I don't taste bourbon. Bourbon would have more of like a corn sugar flavor to it. Some like woody notes. It tastes like I'm sucking on a butterscotch candy. And this was a small, and it cost $4.59. So I paid basically $13 for a sandwich and a small shake. The sandwich was at least tasty. This one just tastes like butterscotch candy, which if you were giving someone a bowl of candy, the last ones left are always the little peppermints. Like this one that Sonic gave me, and the butterscotch candies. So I just was given the worst candies by Sonic here, and yeah, charged a lot of money. So I'm gonna give the Sonic what's this one, bourbon brown sugar aka butterscotch shake, a 6.5 out of 10. If you just like sugar flavor, I'm sure you'll enjoy it. It's sweet, but no really bourbony. And I don't know, to me, brown sugar and butterscotch don't taste the same. So this is not anything like a brown sugar bourbon. That being said, if you like butterscotch, you'll like this. And if you don't like butterscotch, you won't, because that's what it tastes like. Anyway, that's it for this review. Until next time, bye.